Hi everyone, it's Mr. Reynoso, and today I'm going to teach you how to write the lowercase letter U. So let me start by writing my name at the top. Jeremy, that's my first name. Okay, now U is a plain line letter. It starts on the plain line, so here we go. Plain line, down to the grass line, curve up again to the plain line, and then go straight down, trace straight down to the grass line. Okay, let's try it with red as we trace down here these letters. U starts at the plain line, goes down to the grass line, curves up again to the plain line, and trace straight down again to the grass line. Plain line, grass line, curve up, and trace straight down to the grass line. Plain line, grass line, up to the plain line again, straight down to the grass line. Plain line, grass line, plain line, down to the grass line. Last one over here. Plain line, grass line, curve back up to the plain line, and straight down to the grass line. Oh, it's beautiful. Let me switch to blue again. I like blue. Let's start at the plain line, down to the grass line, curve up, and trace straight back down to the grass line. Okay, let's try again. Plain line, grass line, curve up to the plain line, straight down to the grass line. One more. Plain line, grass line, curve up to the plain line, and down to the grass line. Alright, let me make a mistake on this one. Let's say I start up here at the skyline. Skyline, grass line, skyline, down. Wow, it looks kind of beautiful, but it's too big. So let me erase that and try again. Let me go to the plain line, grass line, plain line again, and straight down to the grass line. Wow, that's how we practice the letter U. Lowercase u. Thank you for practicing.